Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Make.com scenarios for resilient API data pulls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Make.com scenarios for resilient API data pulls, start by logging into your Make.com account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the scenario you wish to update. Click on the scenario to open it. Review the current setup to identify areas that may need improvements. Begin by assessing the API connection settings. Navigate to the API module used in your scenario. Check the connection status to ensure it is active. If the connection is inactive, re-establish it by entering your API credentials. Next, focus on error handling within the scenario. Locate the error handling options in the module settings. Set up retry logic to automatically attempt to pull data again in case of failures. You can specify the number of retries and the time interval between attempts. Now, inspect the data transformation steps. Ensure the data is being formatted correctly as per your API's requirements. If necessary, adjust the mapping fields to align with the latest API specifications. Once you've made the necessary adjustments, test the scenario to verify changes. Use the scenario's built-in testing feature to simulate a data pull. Monitor the results to ensure that data is being pulled and transformed correctly. If there are errors, review the logs to identify the issues. Make further adjustments as needed based on the logs. When satisfied with the performance, save your changes to the scenario. Lastly, consider scheduling the scenario for regular runs to ensure consistent data pulls. Your updated scenario is now set for resilient API data pulls. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.